Man, play around, man, is it? Lord, give one hard ball. Bust out the brain, man, right away, man, instant, man, is it? Man, the fruit, man, is make it fun. Slow. Ready for your road, man, is it? GP Saloon, man. Big old belly still full up as it. Play with the road, grind. Suck on the mother society. And the sons in real life. Kill it. Road suck on the mother. Bad dog. Oh my God.
You ever hear one saying we say, when planting or banana want them tree for cut, that's when them shoot. Right? Or when planting and banana want dead, them shoot. Some farmer philosophy like that. You see me I say? Yeah, well, put it to this right, you see, you see me? How many times you see a man come online posting video with them and gun and all these things? How many times you see something like that? How many times? And at the same time, can you tell me what happened after? You see me? All me want is just peace and love in the whole world. You know what I mean? Yeah, so big brother wish you all the best. You know? Born society and them thing there. Wish you all the best. And safe travel for your journey. You understand? Anyways, people, let me know what you think. As always, don't forget to click the subscribe button if you need to know what going on in and around the world, especially the Skilla Entertainment and Jamaica. My name is Skilla, and that was Skilla's Entertainment.